baro syakatub kubor mentagajan mit. Syaban pashiki kubor kibabnya ini pechwaya kimat bokongsan. Okay. Kania kadai kedudashan Meghalaya bak ipdang snubhai pi baro syakatub kubor mentagajan mit. Kania kadai kedudashan Meghalaya bak ipdang snubhai pi baro syakatub kubor mentagajan mit. Syaban pashiki kubor kibabnya ini pechwaya kimat bokongsan. Bam smai ka metab chandi sangma kum kanong nikmat ke gambar gri kan tiaw ya kan jing nikmat kan hei hadiyin dorbar kawan gejala. Wan baar ke NPP nati seng sandi masima hadiyin jang ka APHLC dan yo laipu a na ka hendriyo posit hadiyin dorbar kawan. Pensyai Menteri Rambak Gejala Upan Rat Sangma bahkan NEHU kadai ke skul ba bakmi da ka sorkar kedeng bat ka sorkar jela kamla bentukla liki kam jangka bamanla kesmi. Bat anyale ke sorkar jela ban pendek ya kamat bayadai bat kecingkan kedria ikinong di madan ya karai bakhadu anshim hadian kecing keren basani bat kenhun jakanong di madan. Kikubor kibabnya ka Dr. Metab Chandi e Sangma ka kurem jong Menteri Rambak Gejala Ukonrat ke Sangma kalabam smai kum kanong thau an ka bathamai jong ka Kambagre constituency menta kasngi ya gaching pen bam smai lashim da ulampang ka ying dorbar Gejala u Thomas e Sangma haringkat gaching donlang jong Menteri Rambak Gejala u balongru u president jong ka National People's Party kinong yalam barang ba kaseng NPP bat kinong kershan kaying dorbar thau an Gejala menta kaladon sawngut kinong mikmat kenthei nagi hendriyo phongut kitkhon habakren halor kamat jong gaching duna kinong mikmat kenthei hakikam san himasima ka Dr. Chandi kalakdo ya gaching don kam ban kentiu ya gaching yeshim benta ki kenthei.
Elected member from 56 Kambagre constituency, Meghalaya. The Honourable Speaker will now administer the oath to the newly elected member, Dr. Mehdaf Chandi Sama. Honourable Speaker, please.
I, Srimati Mehdaf Chandi Sama, have been elected a member of the Legislative Assembly. Do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
Congratulations, Dr. Mehdaf Chandi Sangma is now a full-fledged member of the 11th House of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. Congratulations once again.
Women in politics is very less, and I think that's the nature of how politics has been, because it's a difficult job, it's very demanding, and I think we as a women, as equal participants in the society, should come out more and then participate more. I just hope that me being one, I hope that so many women will get the encouragement that they need to come out and be part of politics.
Hakaway pat kaliang ulampang kaying dorbar thauan u Thomas e Sangma ulaong ba kani kalong kasngi kabasngaw sarong na kabenta Gejala Meghalaya da kabaong ba kaching kiw kaching shimbenta ki kenthei hakaying dorbar thauan kalong kasinjam kabakongsan ulaong ba kaching sngaw komen panchimti ya kaching panbam smai ya kanong thauan kenthei kabathamai bat ulapan pau ya kaching sngaw skhem ba khambun shushu ki kenthei kenmi banlong kinong mikmat ha kalaway.
legislator in our assembly. It's a proud moment for the people of Meghalaya and even for the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly also. So it was a great pleasure administering oath of affirmation, the oath of office to the newly elected leading member of the Assembly.
Sir, the Congress party has keep on saying that they will.
Ka National People's Party kalalong kabaar napadeng kiseng san perthei haka khana pateng jong gajela banyo ya lai pho artali kisit haka yeng darbar thau an kabadon riau phongud kit khon kabalong ka sin jam kabakong san na kabanta kaseng kabadon haka bor kani kala urlong na kaching bam smai jong ka Dr. Metap Chandi e sangma ka kertong jong ka NPP kabala job ya ki election chiteng samoy hakam bagri kasien kaba ningkong banyo ikachu kaching bun pai kalalong house nem khat khandai spa nyo phoat haba ka all party hill leaders conference APHLC kalala banyo lai phoat seat banthau ya ka sarkar ka baningkong ha Meghalaya haba kren shakilat pathai khubor menteri rangba gajela bat unong yalam ka NPP ukonrat ke sangma ulaong ba ka NPP kandang beteng banyatrei lang bat kiwei pat kiseng san perthei ka Meghalaya Democratic Alliance da ka ba panshai ba kanam dan kanu kaching penkala usangma ula kedau halor kaching dan kam ban penne bat banyatrei lang na kabenta karoi kapar jong kajelahi barok away.
And as mentioned correctly, that it is only after APHLC that this number by a political party has come. So we're very thankful, and we would like to thank God, and we'd like to thank the people for this confidence that they've shown on us. In spite of the fact that we have numbers, we are sticking with our partners. We have shown our confidence in them. They have shown their confidence in us. And we would like to see that we work in the long run for the stability of the state and overall economic growth of the state. And therefore, there's no question of any realignment or anything like that.
Menteri rangba gajela ukonrat sangma ulakan taj bantuklar halwar kamat kabayade bat ka North Eastern Hill University da ka bapanshai baka sarkar jela kan kampai kmat ban khmi ya ka bha kamiat chongki khana puli ulapen skempat baka sarkar jela kan jailong ka balakre ban aijing kershan lani aijing arab lada dan kam tam lada ka kta ya ka bha kamiat ki khana puli ula ongru ba namar ba ka NEHU kadai ka skul ba hapo ka jing penyat jong ka sarkar pedeng ka sarkar jala kamla bandan benta hakikam jongka
Which is completely controlled, or you can say connected with center, and therefore state government does not normally intervene into the day-to-day functioning since it's a central university. But whenever asked for any advice or whenever asked for any support, we have always done our best to do that. Even earlier, when this issue had just started off, through different multiple channels, means individuals and stakeholders, I was asked to speak to Delhi, and I did that. And based on those communications and multiple conversations with the central ministry, we were able to then come to this point where inquiry committee was put up.
Kadakot jong kiken hun menteri gajela ikong amprin lingdo ilakan tu ya ka sarkar pedeng bansha ya ki beriu ki balakot ke jingnang jingtep na gajela banshimti ya ka kam haki jaka puli ki badon ha gajela ki bakhmi da ka sarkar pedeng kani ke jingkren kalami hadian ke jingaki persya ki khana puli ka NEHU ka balakot shi banai lenter ki bala dawa ban weng kam no ya vice chancellor hadian ke jingkeno don kti ha ke jing thung kam bi an ha ka te ka skul ba da ka ba kentu ya ka sarkar pedeng ban sngo tho ya kani ke jing e ha ka te ka skul ba ikong lengdo ikermen ba ke inquiry committee ka badang tokit halor kani kan la ban ai ya ka kai phot changka rengkat ke jing ai jing mut ka babyang
are qualified to assume positions that are best suited for the people of our state. Central government sets up these institutions in various states, not to benefit themselves, but to benefit the beneficiary state. I personally can only comment that it is important for the central government to take cognizance of this friction that has arisen, for what reasons we have no idea. I hope that this inquiry committee has come, and I hope that the inquiry committee will go back with a strong recommendation to attend to all the observations made by the benefiting group, which is the student group.
Usambut Menteri Rangba Gajala uba dekmi ya katanat ki kampen raisor uba sniau balang dhar ula penpau ya kecing sngus kem ba gajing kabalami na kamat ban pen kenria ya kinong dia madan ansala ban pen bet no kloy leng ba gajing kren uba dhar ula ong baya menta kinong dia madan kin beteng ban syong di ha kajaka bagi syong bat ya karai ansashim hadien gajing kren pen ben ula kular ru baya karai ke bakadu halor kani ansashim hadien baladeb banyak keren bat keken hun kinong di madan.
Why you are worried about that?
If hawkers are not willing to relocate, so how the government plans to relocate them?
All my hawker, all of them are wise people. I don't think so they will be against the government. I will work in such a manner. All of them are my people. We will work accordingly and nicely. We will coordinate together and collectively responsibility. Because as of now, we are trying to identify the good places for them. You see, by identifying a new place, they should be also happy. Why I should put them to the place where there is not good business for them? So I'll contact them, I'll take them on board properly. You should be unanimously decision along with the
Ka National People's Party nong Ston Block kala pentamai biang ya keken hun nong kit kam jangka u MLA ka nong Ston uba Gabriel Walang ula pediang ya kekerdan kum u presiden hadin ba ula penyaso bat ka NPP hakini ki kendiat benai balalen ha ka juk kasngi ka seng kala pediang senga baharu ya kin nong kershan chong MLA uba Gabriel Walang uba dei menchwa na ka seng kongres ka NPP kala pediang senga baharu ya kin nong yalam barim chong ka HSPDP na nong Ston syu kani ke jingalang kala pediang bat ya tai ru halor ka application na kibriu ki bakwa ban aireng ha ka election MDC hapo kalama chong ke NPP na nong Ston constituency.
Wakmuk bagilihan na ganti kabjong jai wakmuk boro kejaro ini thapti ya government ya MP kabara penyai sarkar kami kabasuk bandon nanti bandron ya ke sarkar bomba tujuh bomba jokti bomba jekoma kamdam ya ke parti ke balit ya ke government
Kakuan Hinyau Trap National Awakening Movement hinin kasngi kalapan sngau hakmat ka KHASI Hills Autonomous District Council banamsha ikikaru banbat ya kakam kum kirang bashnong hapo karaj marwet jong kahima melim habakren bat kilat pathai kubor hadian balawai kecingalang bat usembut CEM ke KHADC uba penshangan NCM Working President ka Knam uba Thomas Pasa ulaong bakatkum ka KHASI Hills Autonomous District appointment and succession of CM Deputy CM electors and rangbashnong of Milliam CMship Act Arhajar Nyo kaong batang ya ki KHASI kila banbat ya ka kam kum kirang bashnong ula kenturu ya ka KHADC ban shimkhia katkum ka an persya ya ugaro uba kam yaladi kum urang bashnong hakithan khaput ki bahab apo karaj marwet jong kahima melim
ki Jerman Jol CM ki Rangsong Kona ki Chibara ki Nong Spung A ki Nong Spung C ni borok ki rang bashnong ki dei di kejat mendre garo kani kalong bai im pet la pen ken ya ka appointment and succession of CM Deputy CM elector of rang bashnong of Milliam CMship Act Arjan Nyo katkum kani ka an Arjan Nyo hak section ka bar subsection O la tho sai kedar tang u KHASI ula benong rang bashnong kani dikaan omdan cu balawan perkelai kani nilai jingmut ibab ben sem in le ai mardori kani ban sim da legal action yakini ki briu ki bakam yela de kum kita kirang bashnong katkum ka jing ai bor jongka an jogi mamelim jongu Arjar Nyo
Kinong yalam joka KHASI Students Union Riboy Unit balalam khmat da President uba banjob lang maring menta kasni kilaya kendu ya u District Medical and Health Officer jong ka Riboy District bandawa penlong ya kecing tokit kapabnia ha kabaya dei bat kecing khlat no jong iwe iknarit ibalalej ban pha sumar ha ka CHC Bhoi Rembong Habakuren bat kilat pathai kubor uba maring ula ong ba ha kajing alang u district medical and health officer ula pentikna ba kajing tokit kadang ya chakmat bat ya kidau ba paka an sapentep hadian katu kanisngi syu uba maring ula bancur ba ka KSU kadawa ba ya ka kaipot chang kajing tokit en pan bana pat ba khnang ban pentikna ya ka khuat ka suba bat ba ki pat ba kentip lang ya kajing shisha ka FKJGP Western Zone kalapan pau ya kajing persyak ka bajur halor kajing temu ban penkala ya ka Conservation Training Institute ka ba haben nihat syakajaka karkhana habakuren syakilat pathai kubor uba polosar mauyong ubadai u Assistant Secretary jangka FKJGP Western Zone ulayathu ba kasenjuk ka persyak jur halor katai kajing temu hadian ka kaipot ka baong ba kala bandon kajing penkenria ya kacaka karkhana Syahima Jirang ka bahab hapo ka pathar khma Civil Subdivision Haribhoi District ulaban juru ba kasenjuk kam ai jingkersyan satya ya ki karkhana ki ba penjabo ya ka saudong saukun ha kacu kapor ka bakta ru ya ka koit ka khia chongki pat ba Kahinyo Trap National Youth Front menta kasngi kalapan long ya kajing let jurem ha ka jingking thau jingkhia lani ka way bridge rengkat ki kot kisla ha ka bayadei bat ki jing trekam bat ki trok balayat leng ba ka tei ka chaka habakren halor ka tei ka benta u president ka HNYF uba Hesting Lingdo lembat u general secretary uba Alfred Malai kilabatai ba ka jing let jurep changki kadai hadian ba kilayo cing ucor baki don ki trok ki bakit be an ya ki mauthum ki mauria usiab ka khando bat ki we balashalan national killing sha Assam ka office jang ka assistant agriculture engineer mechanical menta kasni kala IT ya ka korrem sha ka imlang self help group hapwa ka genjri ka lawe village organization la penlong ya kani ka program hasnong mauyong pendeng rei I BDO kanong ston iti dengan ila IT ya kitar sya I president jungka imlang self help group I Oldalin Marngar kini kitar ki kenthop ya arteli ki power tiller kawe ka kor otkba kawe ka mini tractor kawe ka brush cutter bat kawe ka kor penmi kba I BDO kanong ston ila kentu ya ka self help group ban pendon kam tikna I kitar bat care na kaching pendon kam baklai ki mentangin pej ikijing long jingman kasin beneng hasilong kaching kriat kalong hinyo 0.5 degree Celsius bat kaching shed kalong khat khandai 0.8 degree Celsius kaching sngam ka hau kalong hendrip huwei na ka shispa men step bat hendrip hoa na ka shispa jan mit kasun beneng kan rekhang bat kan don kaching dum o khandau hagi katu kani kijaka katu te katu ngila poi sha bakut jong kathuk khubor menta ka jan mit hadu bangin dei syambiang bat phila shai kasngi kublei phi baro
Gajendra Singh Shekhawat, Arunachal Pradesh Chief Minister Pema Khandu and State Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma today jointly inaugurated the International Tourism Mart in Kaziranga. Addressing the meet, the Assam CM informed that the centre and all Ashtalakshmi states are working together to prepare a